guys, so before you start your watercoloring, a trick that I learned so that your lace won't dye. Some people don't mind this, but I do. Just to put Got to Be glue on your lace and then dry it. And then you can take a blow dryer and go ahead and set this to dry. Okay, so as you can see, adding the gel just kind of gives you like that protective layer. It looks very ugly right now, but it's very thick. So I have Wild Cherry and Raging Red. I have 1 Raging Red and 2 Wild Cherry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by pouring a whole bottle of Wild Cherry into the water. So right now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Raging Red in there. See, and as you can see, it's really thick right there. So there's a lot at the bottom that is not mixed around yet. So we wanna make sure that we loosen all of that up at the bottom. So just to do a test strand, I do have this 1 small piece left over from when I was making the wig. So this is what I'm going to dip into the water just to see what the color of the hair would turn out to be. So you're just going to submerge the whole wig. And I'm going to kind of massage it just a little bit because I want to make sure that the red catches onto everything. I've seen a couple videos where sometimes they have to go back in because of the dye not catching too. So I'm just going to leave that in for a few more seconds. And actually drain it back into. Okay, so this color ended up being just a little bit too light for me. As you can tell, this is like a very, very bright strawberry red, and that's really not what I was going for. So I'm just going to tone it down with a darker red, and I'm just going to do it the same way, but this time I'm going to be using the Kiss colors. This is Mahogany Red, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in the bowl. Alright, so now we're just going to repeat the same method, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip the wig into the bowl all at once. You don't want to do it by parts. So after draining my wig, I am just showing you how constructed it looks. That glue did help as a protective barrier, so I don't have like that really red lace or whatever color I am dyeing my hair. So I'm just going to put it on and start to customize it. Alright, so this is the wig on. I'm just customizing it, just making sure that it looks super natural. I just want to make sure that you can't clock my closure, okay? You cannot clock this lace. So I'm just going to make sure I fix it. I'm going to put a little edge control on it just to give it just a little bit more natural, just to give it a little bit more of a natural feel. Alright, so this is the final look. This is my closure. My closure should have like a red stain on it, but that is the natural closure. So adding that Got to Be glue really did help. And I didn't put any concealer, foundation, or anything on my part, so that's really how it looks, guys. You guys, this hair, this wig is amazing. If you guys want to know how I made my wig so flat and so neatly constructed, go ahead and check out my other video, how to make a wig, and I will definitely link that for you guys down below. Thanks.